Hello, this is Oshi from Crafting with Oshi and welcome to this video. We're making these two little critters today and I've made them using the Curvy Keepsake box. So let me show you how I've done it. We did this with the large Curvy Keepsake box, but now we're using the mini. So this is the die we'll be using. It's called the mini Curvy Keepsake box dies. And we're going to use this big die here, and then we're using these two little pieces here for the antlers on the one critter. So I have cut the Curvy Keepsake box out of Early Espresso, and for the penguin out of what is this, Basic Black. And now we're just going to fold and crease on all of these score lines like this, including this one here, which sometimes can be difficult to see, but I do it both ways on this one, on the handles. So let's just do that. Okay, and then the other one. Okay, and then you're going to take your Curvy Keepsake box and you're going to use your bone folder. Now, as I've said before, bone folder is an invaluable tool when crafting. It's one of the basic parts of your kit, so if you don't have one, please get one. The link to all the supplies will be on my website in the blog post, and the link to that is in the description box below. And yes, I do sell these bone folders and they are really good and solid, so do check it out. Okay, and all we're going to do, as you can see here, what I've been doing is just breaking the fibres down and just curving this round, and that will help your box to come together. There we go. Now you can see we've curved it round, so it's starting to make that shape. Now you want to bring the two sides with the handles in together first, like that, and then you're going to just fold over, and they've got the slits, and Bob's your uncle, you're done. Okay, so let's do it again. Put your two handles together and bring the other two sides over. They've got the little slits, so just fold it, and you see by rounding the paper, breaking down the fibres with the bone folder, how beautifully easy these come together. Now you have two different sides to this. You've got this side here, and then you've got this indented side here. I've got my decoration on this side here. So let's set those two aside and start on our decoration. And I'm going to start with eyes. So what I'm going to do for the eyes, wrong one. Okay, let me find a piece of scrap. Here, this is the piece I wanted. I'm using for the eyes the 1/2 inch circle punch, and I'm going to punch out 4 eyes, 1 for each, 2 for each critter, 1 for each critter. We don't want to have a one-eyed penguin, do we? That wouldn't be very fair. How many eyes have I got? 3, 4 eyes. Lovely. So set those bits aside there. And then I'm bringing back my piece of here. I've got some piece of Basic Black, and I'm going to be using just one of these simple hole punches. We used to sell this. This is the Stampin' Up one that we used to sell. Unfortunately, we don't anymore. But you can buy these in any stationery store, you know, and it's just a very standard 1/4 inch punch. So the next bit we need is using the 1 inch circle punch, which is this one, and I'm going to punch just circle in Whisper White for the penguin, and then for the other little critter I'm going to punch a circle in Crumb Cake. I've just remembered something. For the one critter I actually wanted the eyes to be from Crumb Cake, not from Whisper White, so let's do that. So take 2 of those away and put 2 of those there instead. Okay, so what else have we got? We need Rudolph's nose. So I have a piece of real red here, and again I'm using this hole punch, and I'm just going to punch one little nose out. There we go. one nosy. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to make some feet for our penguin, and to do that I'm using some scrap here of pumpkin pie, and I need 2 pieces. Okay, and I've used here, if I can close it up properly, just this label punch that we have. Okay, and now I'm just going to take my scissors and decide how long I want his feet to be, and I think I'm going to start off underneath him, so that's about the right length. Then I'm just going to take it, flip it over to the other side and cut them to the same length. So that's 2 feet done. Now for his nose of the penguin, I'm using another piece that I've cut out of the label punch, and I'm just going to cut off the very end of the label. I think you can see there. And then I'm going to cut this piece in half. So you have a very small piece like that, and that is going to be his nose. Okay, so now that's all done. That's all our cutting and punching done. So now we're going to do some sticking. There we go. So there are 2 little critters. I hope you like them. And they're their little friends. Oh, I've forgotten his white in his eyes as well. Can't have him with no character. So there we go. There's our little friends, our little family of all of our little boxes together, as you can see. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. All the links to my website and my social media links, including a new Facebook group, are in the description box below, so please do check that out. And thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!